Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Perplexity versus Code. Perplexity AI is a conversational AI search engine designed to give you direct answers with sources. On the other hand, VS Code is a powerful, yet lightweight, source code editor from Microsoft. We'll explore their primary functions and user experiences, highlighting how each tool serves distinct user needs effectively. This comparison will help you understand their core differences and ideal applications. Perplexity AI truly shines when you need concise, sourced answers to complex questions. It leverages advanced natural language processing to provide an intuitive search experience. Users benefit immensely from its real-time information retrieval and summarization capabilities, often saving hours of research. Its primary use case is efficient information discovery and research, making it an invaluable tool for students and professionals alike. VS Code offers robust features essential for coding, debugging, and seamless version control. It boasts a vast ecosystem of extensions, supporting hundreds of programming languages and frameworks. Developers can extensively customize their environment, ensuring an optimal and highly productive workflow. Its core function is to facilitate software development and editing, making it the go-to choice for millions of programmers worldwide. Ultimately, Perplexity is ideal for researchers, students, and anyone needing quick, verified information across a broad range of topics. Conversely, VS Code is absolutely essential for software developers, engineers, and programmers building applications. Choosing between them depends entirely on your specific task and professional role. Both tools are undisputed leaders in their respective domains, offering distinct and significant value to their users.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.